bulb. I'll put it back for you. Perfect. Okay, now this. These tabs go first.
These go first?
Yeah, like that.
Sure.
Just push it in, yeah. That's it. Okay. At least right now you can at least look, watch your stars, at night. You don't need to have the glass open, But
right. So you said you're gonna take a look
yeah,
at
I will
this
try
one?
that. Yeah, we'll try that.
And then lower
Yeah,
parts.
let's see, just to make sure. Okay, the hood is open. Wash.
All right.
By the way, I don't know if you do. Oh, you have aftermarket radio, okay? Because if you have, sometimes when you have the original,
code,
you need the code, yeah. It's 10. Oh, which glass? Like windshield?
No, the sunroof.
Oh, the sunroof glass. Well, you don't need the sunroof glass.
I'm just saying.
Yeah. You don't need that.
I'm just watching one of these
This one?
and watching
Yeah.
a motor.
Right.
The gear was $30, not the motor itself.
The gear. So you couldn't find the motor, right? Or
Yeah,
you could? You found it? Just removing these two bolts.
Here you go, I think.
It's a really nice class, C-class, guys. So. Wow, this thing is so clean from underneath too, like literally like no rust at all.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
I think I figured it out.
Yeah. You did? What did you figure out?
There's a modular plug here, 3 wires.
Yeah.
Maybe.
So it is, there was it was plugged in, yeah. It was plugged in. You see that black connector? Yeah. But I'm talking about if you look at the steering wheel, the upper, there's 2 small pins in the upper side of the steering wheel. And that connector, there's no connector in here if you look right there.
No, but what I'm saying, I think maybe a wire goes in here and then to there.
No, because it goes, but you see this is the connector.
Oh, that's one.
This goes here. Yeah,
okay,
it goes here.
Okay.
And then it plugs in here.
Don't listen to everything.
No, it's fine, But I just wanted to explain to you, But there's a missing connector right here. There should be something in there, so I'll have to figure that out.
We'll go back to the drawing.
So, yeah. Well, at least we got your washer fluid working and your curtain working,
Yeah, you're gonna have to show me. Maybe I was doing something wrong.
Yeah.
This is like when I'm driving.
Yeah.
It's hard. Is this just like dirt? Or is it supposed to be smoky like that?
It's not supposed to be smoky like that.
So I gotta get something to clean this
I
with.
think what happened is somebody sanded this or did something to it, I think. Or maybe it just... That's kind of weird, yeah.
It's hard to see through. I mean, I
Yeah.
can see through here.
It's hard to see, but you see how it's like... It's got like, not cracks, but it's got like scratches and stuff.
Yeah.
So I think
Somebody
maybe
roughed
sanded
it
it
up,
for
yeah.
some reason. I don't know why, but the way you can... if you don't want to buy a new one, wow, these struts are really good. Wow, it's so heavy. But if you could take this off and basically sand it down and then just like spray clear coat on it, so it's gonna basically make it much nicer looking.
Well, I could try that lens stuff.
Yeah, or yeah, but no, it shouldn't be like this. It should be much cleaner.
Is
looking.
there the shield in the back?
Shield for what?
The under shield?
The undershield? No, in the back there's no undershields.
I gotta get that.
So you don't, no, there's no undershields on the, usually the undershields are in the front of the car, like for the engine, and you're missing that. Yeah, you're just, oh, there is undershield, like kind of like in the middle, but in the front you're missing one. Like where the oil pan is,
Yeah.
or where the engine, like the front one. So you just need the front one basically, and
So
that's it.
The wheel well.
Yeah, I can basically, we can make a list right now and I'll just text it to you so
Okay.
you have it, you know, you don't have to memorize everything. Yeah. So other than that, yeah, it's a pretty nice car. Pretty nice car, to be honest with you.
I was looking for an ML so I could bring my dogs out. ML
Oh
like
yeah,
the SUV.
ML, yeah.
But they stopped making those.
There's one that's the same year, like 2000, 2001, too, the ML, the W203 chassis. So those are nice SUVs too.
But they're real hard to find now.
Yeah, I mean...
And I always liked this car.
Yeah.
A guy I worked with had one. I never thought I'd own one.
Yeah, this is nice.
I got them. But, I mean, look at that.
It's amazing, yeah. There's no rust. It's just the immaculate condition, you know. It looks like they did the rear brakes too. They look fresh. I don't know about the fronts. Let's see. Yeah, the front ones look brand new also.
Can you see?
There's this much brake pad material left. There's like just
Like 8
a lot.
millimeter
There's a
left?
lot. It's like literally brand new.
So the sensors are going off.
Yeah. Oh, do you have like the brake light on or something, or you for the brake pads, right?
It says take the shop.
Oh, visit workshop.
Yeah.
I like how they do it. Like they used to do the same thing, like on older cars. Like something is wrong, visit the workshop. Visit Mercedes workshop. You know.
Yeah, this is all new to me.
Yeah. Another thing is what I would really recommend for you is doing the diff service, like basically changing the differential fluid. There's differential in the back, and there's 2 axles because it's rear-wheel drive. So
that's on the list. Trans fluid.
Yeah, trans fluid too. But yeah, I mean it's a good little car. To be honest with you. So like the interior is clean. Everything is really nice.
Sat down in the seat with a screwdriver.
Yeah.
And then these are cracked on both sides.
You can replace these. Yeah.
I could have got leather seats. They had one. It was like $250 motorized from Houston. Then they wanted like $400 shipping.
Oh, just for a couple seats, right?
Just for one.
Just for one.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Well, if there's the good place to go is probably junkyards. They should have cars like this in a junkyard, and they have good seats over there.
Victory's not too far from me. They have 2 Mercedes. Unfortunately, they don't have one of these though.
Yeah. They don't have one of these, right? Yeah. I think they're rare, They're. Yeah, that was a piece of dirt.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
I mean, it just scares me.
Little by little, yeah.
How good the body is, and then like the electrical is like a train wreck.
Yeah, but that's okay. That's because somebody was messing. Look, I just pulled your sunroof switch, and the connector was disconnected for the curtain. That goes back and forth. And then somebody, I don't know what happened to this other motor that actually opens your sunroof. But yeah, it's.
There's another one back. You can see it. I think this thing lifts up and goes back or something.
Yeah, it should kind of like lift up and kind of, I think, go back. Yeah, I don't think this one opens up. It's just this part opens up, I think. Yeah, that's what
I
happens.
guess, I don't know. I never seen
Yeah.
that yet.
Yeah, this is like a glass sunroof. I mean, not the sunroof, but the whole roof,
Is that
basically.
the antenna, maybe?
I don't know. Doesn't. It could be, but usually the antennas. I'm not sure about this car. It's somewhere. It's somewhere.
I
It's
read somewhere
somewhere.
they're in a bumper.
It could be in the bumper, yeah. Usually they put them on the roof, but they're not gonna do it because it's glass over here on this car, you know.
Oh, and one more thing.
Uh-huh.
In time, I noticed the lock
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
this is missing.
Oh yeah, it's missing? How do
Yeah.
you know it's missing?
There should be a pin here.
Well, hang on a second. It's missing here, but when you lock it, it should pop out. Pop out.
It doesn't lock.
Oh, it doesn't lock? Oh, so it's open all the time, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I'd like to fix that.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. That's either this is not good or because I think this is vacuum operated usually.
Mm-hmm.
So, but yeah, it's some diagnosis to do.
This was on here up until a couple of days ago. I broke this.
Oh, for the gas cap?
Not a big deal.
Yeah, this is not a big deal, It's not really electrical.
It looks like there's a scratch here.
There used to be, but they put like yeah, yeah. Mhm.
Alright, so
All right, yeah, I'm gonna put this airbag back, and then we're gonna wrap it up.
the lamp's in the right place, but the bumper's probably off.
Yeah, the bumper appears to be off.
Not a big
And
deal.
the reason why
See?
it's off is it could be that this mounting bracket right there behind the bumper is a little bent. It could be that, or it could be just a bad adjustment, Let's see. No, the headlight is intact,
Yeah.
It's not moving anywhere. Like this one. Or it could be just
I gotta look on the invoice,
yeah.
but I think they changed this thing out. I think
Which
it's
one?
for the air conditioning. This.
No, I think this is the
Transmission?
power steering cooler. Let's see.
They changed some. I gotta look on the
Or
invoice.
it could be, yeah, it could be the, yeah,
But
right.
that could have killed the air conditioning. The air conditioning was working up to a couple days ago.
I think it's just you have a leak somewhere in your air conditioning system, that's all.
It don't surprise me. Okay,
Yeah.
so you got all this in your head.
Yeah, I'm gonna text it to you right now, okay? Let me just put this all back in the trunk. And then we'll make a list for you. Yeah, I wish we never had winters here too, we would have really nice clean cars here.
Salt.
Yeah, it's all this snow and salt.
Work last week for a couple days.
Yeah.
So I gotta charge my phone.
Yeah.
Plug it in there.
Right.
Next he's playing like black music, Coco Puffs.
Oh yeah, the rap stuff. I'm not really a huge
Give me
fan
a
of
headache
rap.
when-
Yeah, yeah. I don't know how people like rap. I don't like rap, This is a really nice music, nice old school, stuff. I like the AC/DC, you know, like from 80s and stuff.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
nice.
The Loop, they shut it down a
Yeah.
couple months ago.
Yeah.
So I bought AC/DC CD to make up for the difference.
Right.
Okay,
No, those are nice. Yeah, almost. Just keep going straight. I will tell you when to turn.